Afternoon, everyone. I've had a couple of requests for the rationale behind the UNG trade, so I thought I'd open up this chart and show you the why of it. I think that we've gotten very oversold, just like we were very overbought here. And on a fundamental basis, I don't see that anything has changed. I understand, warm weather for a couple of days may be an influence, but we're still only in February, and so I am still bullish of the nat gas. We've come down hard. This has been an area of support straight across here at the $4 level. Also, as you know, these round numbers tend to attract buyers and sellers. We broke slightly below $4, 398. Let's go back to the daily. 398, but again, same thing. This is an area of support. Now, um, the reason that I bought the UNG is because it tends to be the one that runs the best relative to the actual commodity. This is the US Nat Gas ETF. And I think that we also have a bit of an uptrend line here off the lows and the bottom. Let's remember that this was $12, $11.76, and in a period of 2 weeks, we were up to $16. That's a $4 move, and in fact, right now we're in the 14s, which are right at the money. So, if we do get a bounce back to, you know, even just the highs, the lows from last week or the close from the week before, we're talking about a $2.50 option. Plus, we bought the Marches, and so there's a little bit more time involved and time value. On a daily basis, we are still a little bit overbought, but the difference between 13.99 and the low of 13.76 that we were looking at on that weekly is really not much of a change in the UNG. And with a month of time on it, I think we'll be a little bit less susceptible. As I mentioned on the weekly, we are in fact oversold. The MACD is bottoming here, and we're just in the middle of the Bollinger Bands. On a shorter term basis, which is how I decided, we are running along the bottom of the lower Bollinger Band area. So the upper right here is around 1566. The lower is around 1383. So that's just under where we are. Today's low is 1395. The last is 14. I'm very comfortable with this trade.